Hi, I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au and I'm a Mailchimp Pro partner. Today we're going to cover how to add a form, or any document actually, into a Mailchimp email to send it to our subscribers. So what we're wanting to do is add a form, in this case a fillable form, that we add to our email, we send it, the recipient then receives that email, they click a button to download the form or the attachment. Now it could be any PDF, Excel, Word, document and so on. Let's go across and just see what we're trying to achieve. So this is an example email. What we're wanting is for our recipients to click the button and then the form loads for them. So I'm going to click fill the form and let's see what happens. The form opens for them, a PDF file in this case. Nice and easy. Let's go across to Mailchimp. So I'm in Mailchimp. So how we do this as the sender is we create a normal email campaign. So you can see I've been creating this, just a demonstration. And then we can, for the recipient to download that file, they can either click a link or a button. I'll use a button in this case. So let's just add a button that we want people to click on. And what we'll do is we'll just change the wording a little bit to make it more self-explanatory. Don't know why I'd added that. Added that a little bit. Let me just tidy this up a little bit. Sorry about this. Fill the form. There we go. Okay. So we've got a button. All we now need to do is click on the button so that as we're looking at the screen on the left-hand side, we can see the link to, as you can see. Change the link to be file. Now this is assuming that you have that document, the PDF document, the Word document, whatever that you want to send out on your local computer. Click add file, and either you can directly upload it from your device, or we could even add it from our Content Studio. In this case, I'll do that. Select from Content Studio. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just drag and drop from my computer the file into the Content Studio. And Mailchimp will upload it and automatically add the link. Right. So once we send this, the person will click on that and automatically download the link. If you want to test this, which is highly recommended, send yourself a test email, or we could just go to preview, check the email's okay, and if we click fill the form, you'll notice that the correct form loads, therefore we know it works. So let's just go out of there. So we would just then save and exit, and we would send this immediately. As people receive that email, they can click on it to download that form. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Thank you. I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au.